Sound Check is a co-curricular ensemble of singer-dancers from right here at Waubonsie Valley High School, serving the western suburbs of Aurora and Naperville, Illinois. The group is an extension of a curricular program of 8 concert choirs, 5 concert bands, and 6 concert orchestras that has been recognized on numerous occasions as a Grammy Foundation Signature School and Gold Signature School. So tonight, it only feels right that they roll out the red carpet one last time and bring a little Grammy magic to the stage. Please welcome to the stage for the last time in 2026, Sound Check.
That sound of cheering. We worked to try to hear it. Each show we never put on and poured our hearts into. But this is the occasion. The night of the occasion belongs to everyone here, every one of you. 'Cause we all play a leading part in this art of making art. And so tonight for you I wanna start by saying to every team, every cast, the present, future, and past, tonight at last, this is your round of applause for the last 68 years. Here you've kept it alive. Cheers, high five. This is your round of applause, 'cause you know the show never go on if we didn't all come together as one. So let's all take this chance to make a song and a dance. Let's see your hands. This is your round of applause. Dance the night away, celebrate the music, make some noise. Dance the night away, on your feet, let's bring out the awards. Tonight we gon' leave it on the floor. No Kendrick, Bad Bunny, Stevie and Aretha. Tonight we gon' leave it on the floor. On the floor. It's the Grammy Awards. Congratulations, singers, sing. This is your round of applause. To all the writers and fans who show the lights in the band. So here we stand. This is your round of applause.
This is 1962 Song of the Year, Moon River.
I'm crossing you in style someday.
Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever you're
award goes to Beyonce. Since Beyonce couldn't make it to Waubonsie Valley High School tonight, accepting this award on her behalf is Soundcheck.
Promises.